Anand ji is 62 years old.
He's a retired army officer. उन्होंने बोला that I want to have the same food what he is having right now after 15 years.
Anand ji is 62 years old and still wellness और वो मतलब क्यों?
He's a retired army officer. So उनका life वैसे भी was very healthy. He was 62 years old, but the time he called for the retreat, for the booking, उन्होंने बोला that I want to have the same food what he is having right now after 15 years, right? And he wants to feel the same energy after 15 years. So the main goal of him visiting Viveda कि मेरा जो अभी healthy routine है, right? I'm stuck क्योंकि मुझे अभी आगे पता नहीं है कि क्या करना है, how I can upgrade my wellness routine or healthy life, right? क्योंकि age is the again major factor. So क्या protein होना चाहिए, and some of the other day आपको हर बार कुछ नया जानने को मिलता है कि आपको ये लेना चाहिए वो लेना चाहिए. So he was confused. So to recharge himself कि आगे एक बार detox हो गया, it's basically serving, doing servicing of your car, कि एक बार detox हो गया, then he can continue with the same routine, right? So the main goal उनका वही था, though he has some minor concerns. That was due to his age, mild elevated blood pressure, but the main idea कि proper periodic detox he wants to do. He wants to visit after every 6 months just for the detox. He want to come for 4 nights or 5 nights. Colon hydrotherapy करेंगे, एक बार वापस से body clean होगा, again he go follow the diet, again he'll visit after 6 months. So this is the idea what he has.
So even at the age of 62, he is thinking about next 15 years. मतलब वो
Correct.
80 years का plan कर रहा है.
Yes.
That's nice. That's nice. So for someone who is not coming in with a problem, उनको ऐसा आपने कहा कि कोई सीवियर कोई इशू नहीं था, but it's more of making sure कि आगे जो उनकी लाइफ है, आगे के उनके 15 साल 20 साल जो है, that goes on more smoothly.
Yes.
So those are also kind of people जो wellness के लिए आ रहे हैं.
Yes, absolutely. Because it's not always कि जब आपको कोई disease या disorder है तभी आप wellness centers में जाओ. It's not like a treatment, right? It's because naturopathy and Ayurveda always works on prevention of the disease, right? So prevention is always better than cure. So अगर आपका routine आप पहले से healthy बना रहे हो, then chances are very less to get the disease in future, right? So आप अपने आप लाइफ को और हेल्दी, आपके रूटीन को और हेल्दी बनाने के लिए यू कैन विजिट, दैट यू कैन कम अंडर डिटॉक्स प्रोग्राम और यू कैन कम अंडर रिजुविनेशन प्रोग्राम. यू विल गेट अ क्विक ब्रेक आल्सो फ्रॉम द हेक्टिक रूटीन, राइट? एटलीस्ट यू विल फाइंड अ पीस ऑफ माइंड. वो फिजिकल डिटॉक्स से ज्यादा मेंटल डिटॉक्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट नाउडेज.
That is true. तो उनका ये जो 4 night 5 day का जो प्रोग्राम था, how was that? क्या हुआ उसमें?
So we did mild detox program. We started with enema. We did the colon hydrotherapy. Right? We have longer programs also, which is for 7 nights. But जब short stay program होता है उसमें we'll do mild detox. So mainly our main focus is the gut cleansing, right? To clean the colon. We do the colon hydrotherapy and a change in the diet routine as well. Same for 4 nights program also. We do provide post departure follow-up diet. So they can continue once they'll go from here, if they want to maintain the same wellness journey.
What was his experience after these 4 days 5 days? उनका response कैसा था?
Yeah. So he was saying that he felt very energetic, very focused, and he want to maintain the same routine. And again, he is also our regular guest. He visit now. He's visiting with his one more friend. Both are coming every year. They come here for 5 nights. They do the detox. They'll last day they have the our regular food. Then they'll go. They'll follow the diet. Every year they visit the Vivida.